You promise not to smash me too bad this time?
No, I don't.
Oh no.
I mean, I have to because it's Mayor's fault.
It's required
Yes.
that you come sliding
Wait,
across and
what?
smash me.
What is, was the 45-minute wait, Spider-Man?
I don't know. It might have been,
Guardians?
or Soren. Oh, I got you. Smash. Woo! Let's go, tractor! Oh, I'm gonna get you! Oh, you got me! Oh, good one. Our tractor's sure bumpy, isn't it? Woo! It's fun. Woo! Yeah! That was awesome.
I wonder if Mom got
I want to do it again.